A communique issued today, 2nd July 2024, by the Southeast Governors Forum. The forum commiserated with the government and people of Abia State, Ebonyi, Imo State, indeed the entire Southeast region and Nigeria, and the family of Ogbonnaya Onu's family. The people of Ogbonnaya Onu's family on the demise of His Excellency Dr. Ogbonnaya Onu. The forum received the delegation of the former President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, Chief Emeka Anyim, GCOM, and His Royal Majesty Igwe Emeka CFR, the Obi of Nature, who came on a solidarity visit to this forum. The forum deliberated on the reviewed report of the Southeast Security and Economic Summit held in Owerri on the 28th September 2023 and agreed to implement the aspects of the report pertaining to security and economic integration of the region, and affirmed its desire to put actionable plans on the key issues agreed. The forum resolved to visit Mr. President to discuss the pressing issues, all pressing issues concerning the Southeast region. The forum also deliberated and resolved to interface with the federal government to secure the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu,